not even moving. He's out.
Bex says it's bedtime.
Yeah, I'll set it.
Bex, Bex, Bex. You're like, no, I'm annoyed with you. You let him sweep me.
Pretty much.
Oh, poor puppy. Oh, poor puppy. Like, I'm mad at you.
I can manhandle you, huh? Look at the curls. Look at the curly, curly hair. See it?
Yeah, stop bothering me.
Our dog is dead.
Oh, Bex, are you roadkill?
Something.
Are you roadkill when you're tired?
She ran a camera with me and took my mom. She would love that.